Young OG. Hey Boogie, what's up? Another one. Yeah. You used to be my baby. Remember?
Hey y'all, it's Deanna Jam. Welcome back to my channel. What up, fam? What up? I just want to say real quick, thanks for all my new subscribers. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, 1K, and even though that's a little bit to some people, I'm like extremely excited. I just want to say thank you guys for rocking with me. All 700 of y'all, I love y'all. And when I get to 1K, I will be having a giveaway. Okay, back to this vlog. So in this video, I'm going to be taking DeAndre to the park. It's like 76 degrees outside in New York, literally. So I'm going to take him to the park and I'm going to put him on the swings. That's it. So I'm just going to vlog him on the swings and blah blah blah. It's so nice outside. Like, this is just A1. So if you guys want to see baby's first time at the park, then make sure you keep watching this vlog. And if you keep liking my content, then make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and if you have something to say, then make sure you comment on my video. Okay, so we'll see you guys when we get to the park. Walmart for $19.99. Say hi, Tati Tuli. You can't even see you. But Boop, he didn't fit on the swing, which is a bad idea. Right, Bertuli? Nobody. Yeah, he was too small for the swing, and I didn't. Yeah. But he didn't. It's okay, Dukes. Maybe by the summertime. Yes. So what are we gonna do, Boop? Sit here? Might as well walk around. What do you think? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Boo, do you like the swing? he looks like he's on the roller coaster or something. Boo, you like the swing? Yes or no? And why your hands so closed tight? Well, he's sitting all the way back. Before he wasn't sitting all the way back. I don't know if you like the swing or not, the way you're acting. He looks like he's scared. You're going too fast? Let me go slower. Guys, I don't think he likes it. Okay, Mommy's gonna take you out. Mommy's gonna take you out. Honestly, I don't know if he likes it or if he wants to keep swinging. Okay, I'm gonna take you out. Okay. So, Boop did not. Why you look like that? Boop did not like the swings. Right, Boop? So now we're gonna walk around town. It's so nice. It's getting a little windy. This weather is bipolar. Guys, being here is giving me serious nostalgia, if that's the right word, because this was the park everybody would go to in high school, and we used to sit here with each other, watch the boys play basketball, the girls would just be sitting there eating snacks, And I remember we used to climb up this, and we used to hop the fence. Like, it just, high school was crazy. Like, it's not that high school is crazy. It's not that high school is crazy. It's just that it's crazy how much time flies. Like, time really freaking flies. And it's like, who would have thought that, you know, 7 years out of high school, I think I am, like 7 years out of high school, who would have thought that I would have a baby and I'll be taking my baby to the same park that, you know, I was always at. Like, it's crazy. It's so nice. He is so mad at me, y'all. This vlog was a fail. Tell him, boo. It was a fail. And he has like a little tricycle thing, and the tricycle thing is like 9 months. It starts at 9 months, but I don't think he's gonna like it. Well, no, that's not what I meant to say. But he has like a little tricycle thing, and I feel like the tricycle thing is not gonna be good for today because it's already getting like cloudy a little bit, if you guys can see, and it's starting to like cool down. So I don't want to waste all my time building it and then it's not, you know, good enough. So yeah, so we just been walking around and we're honestly about to leave. I'm hungry. We went to Walmart today, and I should have vlogged Walmart, but Walmart, y'all, was so freaking packed. Like, because I forgot everybody's on break, so Walmart was so packed. It was so annoying. Like, it was ridiculous. It was so ridiculous. But yeah, we have fun. I bought him some stuff in Walmart. Maybe I'll do a Walmart haul part of this video because this video is not really anything, or I'll do a separate video as a Walmart haul depending on how long this video is. But when I get home, I'll show you guys what I got here from Walmart, and I'm gonna show you. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I have a video idea. A bit is smart. Okay, so when I get home, we're gonna make another video. But I think we're gonna end this video. Oh no, there's a bug in my child. Oh my god, I hate bugs. Oh my god, I hate bugs. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here. Oh my god. That was raw footage, y'all, of me being scared of a bug. Oh my god, I think it's like near me. Oh my god. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. I hate all types of bugs. Butterflies, flies, gnats. Bugs fucking scare me. And now we're out of here. We're leaving the park. So, I hope you guys like this vlog. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do everything you gotta do. And I will see you guys in my next video.